Yo. Cornucopia's Republic. You are locked in the Dome 99.7 FM with your host, DJ Nova Jax. This is the top 10 at 10, counting down the hottest tracks, shaking the domes, the solaces, the apartments, the markets, and every elevator that refuses to go to the right floor. Sliding in at number 8, this one is for the builders, decorators, and people who spend 6 hours moving a couch 2 inches to the left. You started with an empty room. Now your squad walks in and starts asking if you take interior design commissions. Here is Apartment Flex. Yeah. Started with nothing. Now the whole room shining. Yeah. IGC grind, blueprints all night. Squad at the door like, bro, you built this? Apartment Flex. Apartment Flex. Let's go. Walk into my room, yeah, the whole squad stunned. Built it piece by piece, now the dream got done. Lights on the wall and the relics on display. IGC grind turned into my own place. Apartment Flex. Yeah, I built that. Crafting all night, had to flip that. Empty room turned into a whole vibe. Infinity rising, this is my life. Walk into my room, yeah, the whole squad stunned. Built it piece by piece, now the dream got done. Started with a room and the floor so plain. Now the whole place glowing like I changed the game. Bed by the window with the stylist view. Table in the corner where I craft my tools. Move that couch like 29 times. Had to get that angle with the neon signs. Shelf on the left, relic on top. Oil lamp lit and the whole room pops. Hamburger bar routes just to pay for trim. Drone box follow when the lights got dim. Left up, down, time I got paid. Came back home and the blueprint changed. Gather that wood, stack that ore. Needed one table, then I needed 4. Every little piece got a story to tell. Now my apartment looking like a hotel. I'm not just hanging out, I'm building my name. Every crafted item got a place in the frame. From the market floor to the crash site glow. Every piece I place, let the whole squad know. Walk into my room, yeah, the whole squad stunned. Built it piece by piece, now the dream got done. Lights on the wall and the relics on display. IGC grind turned into my own place. Apartment Flex. Yeah, I built that. Crafting all night, had to flip that.